Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to change your Twitter or X sensitive content. To enable sensitivity content settings on Twitter or X, make sure to follow these steps. Firstly, open up the X app on your phone. Once you're in your account, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Now from your profile, tap on Settings and Support. Then go into Settings and Privacy from here. After that, scroll down in Settings and go into Security and Account Access. Now, get back and go into Content you see. Then tap to go into Explore Settings. You will find the Sensitivity Content option here. If you don't find it in the app, then open your Twitter or X account in a web browser. Once you're in your account, tap on the Settings icon in the top right corner. Or you can go into your profile and then tap on Settings. After getting into Settings, choose the Privacy and Security option. Then go into the Content you see option, and you will find the Sensitive Content option here. You can tick it in checkbox and go into Search Settings. Make sure you toggle both of the search settings options. And that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share your comments or questions down below.